What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're here to talk business today. That's why we're sitting in my office outside. Anyway, we're here to talk business. You guys have been asking me for quite a while, how much did I sell all of those cars for? You know, the Bmw Z4, the Mustang GT, SwampVette, the Caprice, the Mercury Cougar, and the Nissan Altima. Almost forgot about the Nissan Altima. But before we get into that, I want to give a big shout out to another YouTuber that wrote me a letter. It's rather lengthy, so I'm not gonna read the whole letter, but I do want you guys to go check out Doc's Auto on YouTube. I'll have a link down below. It is DACHSAUTOS, all one word. DACHSAUTOS. Doc's Auto on YouTube. Longtime follower of the channel, and he started his channel based off of, you know, getting motivated by watching mine. So I really appreciate that. I appreciate you being a long-time follower and subscriber. Maybe I can send a few people your way. Go subscribe to him and tell him hi from Randy's channel. Now, let's jump into this because I got a stack of files right here, guys. Yeah, for those of you that think this is not a business, I've got so many receipts and documents, and it's tax time. So let's start out with No, we're not going to start out with SwampVette. We're going to save SwampVette. And don't try to fast forward because you never know where I'm going to put SwampVette in this video. We're going to start out with the 1994 Chevy Caprice. We had a total invested in that car of $981.50. Now, you ready? We sold it through Insurance Auto Auctions for $881. That's for those of you who haven't figured it out yet, that's a loss of $100.50. Yep, that happens. All right, well, maybe the Cougar, maybe we did a little better on that one, right? So the 91 Mercury Cougar, we had a total investment of $665.52 into that car. We sold it for $491. We lost $174.52 on that car. Okay. The Bmw Z4, maybe that one we did a little better on. Sure, we did a little better on that one. We had a total investment in the Bmw Z4 of $5,310. Okay. Wow. We sold it for $2,866, which is a loss of $2,444.32. Okay, that's a little hard to swallow. Now, good news on the not the Bmw Z4, on the hold on. Got the Mustang GT coming up here too. On the 2012 Nissan Altima, we actually made a profit of $1,651. We had an investment, total investment into that car of $1,848.45. We sold it for $3,500, which is a $1,651 profit. So, all right, not bad. Things are starting to look up here. The 97 Ford Mustang GT. Now, that was a crazy one because that car sold for $5,000 for a car that we paid $480 for, $490, something like that. We sold that car for $4,916. Total investment, $5,706.47, which makes it a loss of $790.47. SwampVette had to make a profit on SwampVette. It was a free car, right? No. Total investment into SwampVette, $3,054.65. We sold it for $3,041 for a loss of $13.65. But wait, there's more. I had to go run some numbers real quick because you're only seeing one side of the story. Yes, on the car dealership side, I have lost a lot of money, but on the YouTube side, I've gained more than you would probably ever imagine. So let's start with the 94 Caprice. On the 94 Caprice, my first video did 56,000 views and made me $583, which left me after the loss, left me with a profit of $483. Next, let's move on to the Mercury Cougar. Video 1 did 84,000 views, and that brought me $973. Video 2 brought me 79,000 views for a profit of $1,171. Video 3 got 38,000 views with $346 for a total of $2,490, which left me after the loss with a profit of $2,316 on a 91 Mercury Cougar. Moving on to the Bmw Z4, this one's pretty simple. We didn't do many videos. Video 1 did 57,000 views, didn't do very well, $661. Video 2 did 64,000 views and made $563. Video 3 did 67,000 views, made $852. Video 4 did 46,000 views with $510 for a total views brought me to $2,586 in YouTube revenue. So that offset the loss of, what did we lose? We lost $24.44 on it, but we made $25.86, so we have a profit of $142. Now that right there, that profit, that's not good. You never want to see that, okay? Next, we've got the Nissan Altima. All right, video 1, 76,000 views for $829. Video 2, 62,000 views for $747. Video 3, 41,000 views for $355. Video 4, 40,000 views for $628. That's total revenue from YouTube of $2,559. Plus our profit of $1,600 on that car brought us a total profit of $4,159 on the Bmw Z4. Next, the 97 Mustang GT we did really well on, but wait for SwampVette. SwampVette is the killer out of this whole thing. Video 1 on the Mustang GT that we bought for $400, 252,000 views on the first video, $2,854. Video 2 did 81,000 views for $1,064. Video 3 did 81,000 views for $1,193. Video 4 did 84,000 views for $697. That must be 64. Sorry, 64,000 views for $697. Video 5 got 68,000 views for $819 for a total YouTube revenue profit of $6,627 minus the $790.47 loss we took selling it. We still came out with a profit of $5,836.63. Now, are you ready for the big one? SwampVette. Video 1, 647,000 views, $6,905. Video 2, 255,000 views, $3,190. Video 3, 232,000 views for $3,500. Video 4, 168,000 views for $2,139. Video 5, 165,000 views for $2,263. Video 6, 101,000 views for $808. Video 7, we're almost to the end, 62,000 views, $656. And finally, video 8, 42,000 views for $312. That brings us to a total YouTube revenue for SwampVette of $19,773. Yeah. And we only lost $13 on SwampVette. So basically, we made $20,000 on a free car. $20,000. Now, what does all this add up to? For this list of cars, just the few cars that I just read off to you, we have made a profit of $32,709.53. That's right. Out of just a few cars that wouldn't be worth anything really to anybody, we were able to turn that into a $32,000 profit. So for those of you that are out there wondering, how can people on YouTube buy these hoopties, these junkers, the clunkers, and afford to do all this stuff to them and sell them for less than they have into them? You can't. It's an insane business model. You can't do it. No business could survive that way. It's thanks to YouTube, thanks to you, the viewers watching these videos, that makes it possible for all of us, not just me, John Ross, Hoovie's Garage, Weston Champlin, basically anybody and everybody on YouTube, Tavarish. We are all able to do these kinds of things because you guys watch the video. Your view counts. It does. Your view counts. I know you may think you're just one person, one guy, one gal, or whatever, but that one view adds a little bit to our pockets, and it all adds up to big profits in the end. So, hey, maybe you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. It's worth a try. It's not guaranteed. You're not going to make any money for quite a while, okay? Get that understood first. You're not going to make any money for quite some time. It's going to take a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of patience, and really no rewards. But in the end, it does pay off. So am I complaining about losing money on the cars? No, I'm not, because the flip side to this is, while I lose money on every car, pretty much, I make the profit on YouTube. The loss that I have on my car dealership side transfers over to a tax write-off on the YouTube side. So you offset the positive income from YouTube with the negative income from the car dealership, and it really does help to ease the tax burden when you make the kind of money I made. In fact, I just looked on YouTube, lifetime on YouTube, I have made over $500,000. And that's, granted, I've been on YouTube for quite a while, but the majority of that money has been made in the last 3 years. The last 3 years has been the majority of $500,000 in YouTube revenue, and I could not have done that without you. So big news here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I just wanted to say thank you to all of you that watch these videos and allow me to do what I do. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. Definitely share this video with your friends, because I'm sure a lot of your friends are out there wondering, what is the secret to YouTube? What's the secret to these car people buying these cars, spending all of this money, and then selling them for less that they've got into them? How could you possibly survive? I just spoiled it. I just gave it away. This is how it is. This is why we can do what we do. And I want to personally thank all of you for allowing me to have my little piece of this YouTube pie. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Until next time, stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all very soon in the next one.